Good morning, children, to our GK class. Today we are going to learn about chapter number 17, Luxurious Tourist Train of the World. Here we are going to discuss the train which are luxurious, very luxurious and very special, made for the tourist. Now, what is meant by luxurious train? Luxurious train are special train designed specially to offer an elegant and luxurious ride to passengers and evoke a sense of pride in an association for history and geography of the places traveled. Means here the passengers and evoke a sense of pride in the association of the history and geographical places. Now let us start with our first luxurious train. The name of the train is Golden Eagle. This luxury tourist train of Russia connects Moscow in the east to the Vladivostok in west. It is equipped with private luxurious accommodation. This train offers luxury dining, conferencing, live music concert and a 24-hour cabin attendant service. So here all the services are available and the private cabin attendant service is also given to the passengers. The next special train is Golden Chariot, and now you know the children the speciality of this train. This train is of India. This luxury tourist train of India connects important tourist spots in Karnataka, Goa, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry. The train has two multi-cuisine restaurants, conference, gym and spa facilities. It has on-board internet connectivity and live television service in the cabins. So you can see children here. See here the spatial multi-cuisine restaurants, conference, gym, spa facilities. Our next train is of South Africa. The name of the train is Blue Train. This train is a luxury tourist train of South Africa. It travels approximately 1,600 km between Pretoria and Cape Town. It provides 5-star luxurious hotel facilities. In this train, most of the facilities are available like 5-star hotel. What is the main attraction of this train? The main attraction of this train is giant size TV monitor that shows the scenery of track ahead with the help of camera fixed on the top of the engine. In addition, a personal attendant is available in each coach, means each passenger getting a proper and special treatment. Now our next train is of Australia. The name of the train is the Ghan. It is a luxury train of Australia that connects 2,979 km of beautiful location in the Australia continent. See children, this train travels across 2,979 km in Australian continent from Darwin in the north to the Adelaide in the south, means from two directions, from north to south. What are the specialities of this train? It has all luxurious facilities available, including excellent rooms, multi-cuisine restaurants, and excellent service. You can see here the pictures are given to you. Here, multi-cuisine services, excellent bedrooms, restaurants. These all facilities are available in this. Now again one more special train, which is, children, this is also of India. The name of the train is the Palace on Wheels. So you'll get the clear idea about the name from the name of the train. Palace on the Wheels means the actual palace, how it looks, all the creation have done in this train. It is one of the most luxurious train in India. This is one of the most luxurious train in India, children. It departs from New Delhi and covers many tourist places of Rajasthan in its 7 night and 8 days journey. So this train has a journey of 8 days and 7 nights. In this, they have covered maximum 8 places with all facilities. The speciality of train is it has 56 air-conditioned deluxe twin-bedded cabins with internet Wi-Fi facility, color TV with music channels, intercom and attached toilets, running hot and cold shower wall-to-wall carpeting and other amenities, and a very personalized service by a personal attendant in each cabin. So there is a personal attendant for each cabin. So wherever any difficulty or any problem is there, so the facility is on the hand only. This train is also having 2 luxurious restaurants. Here the separation is that the Maharaja and the Maharani serving continental, Chinese and Rajasthani and the other cuisines also. So see children, 2 luxurious restaurants are also available for Maharaja and for the Maharani also. Now let us see the interesting fact about the train of Palace on Wheels. The magnificent coaches of the Palace on the Wheels now renovated. Now for what they are renovated? Were the personal collections of the rulers of princely states of Rajputana, Gujarat and Nizam of Hyderabad. So these coaches were used by them for their travel. So they can travel in this by the way they want. So here children, we have completed luxury tourist train of the world. We have seen many train. How many train we have observed? Golden Eagle, Blue Train, the Ghan, the Golden Chariot, and the specialities of the train. And the speciality, what they are giving special treatment to the passengers and help them to travel with enjoying. Good day children. And the quiz time is the question as given on the page number 27. Complete it.